Hello everyone, my name is Lori Mueller. I am Professional Development and Training Analyst for OMAG. I've spent my entire career enthusiastically pouring into others, and I'm really excited to be the steward of the OMAG Municipal Frontline Leader Academy. The Academy is designed to equip cohort members with the necessary knowledge, skills, and experiences to be leaders that are consistent, that are pouring into their team members. It builds stability and strength. And cohort members do this by participating in 6 in-person learning experiences, 6 virtual conversations, and then 6 call to action activities. We wrap up the academy with a capstone project, and many times when people hear capstone, they think, oh, capstone project like in college. It's not quite the same thing. It's an opportunity for participants to take all of those learning experiences and use them in real life scenarios. So they work together with our cohort to solve those scenarios. And then of course we celebrate with graduation. Participants tell me that the most meaningful and important thing that they gain from participating in the academy is those relationships that they build. And on top of that, the experiences that are real, the opportunity to talk about things that happen on a daily basis at work and have other municipal leaders help them solve for those challenges they're facing. I'm so excited for you to hear from a few participants from the OMAG Municipal Frontline Leader Academy. Listen to what they have to say.
OMAG Frontline Leadership Academy. So many amazing things to say about this program. Such a wonderful facilitator, such great people, the staff, all of the sessions. One thing that I took away from this program is anyone who's choosing this is already making the choice that they want to be better. Anyone who chooses the Frontline Leadership Academy has already decided that they want to be a better communicator, that they want to be a better listener, that they want to be empathetic. And the tools that I got in this particular class is learning how to lead with the head and the heart. And leading with the head and the heart means making informed decisions, taking time to process any of the information that's coming from you, but making decisions based on how we can solve a problem, not how we can point a finger. And it's really, really amazing to see a place like OMAG, who's already helping municipalities to decrease their liability, to decrease legal claims, to also make the decision to arm their representatives with the tools that they need to be able to seriously approach and not so much attack, but be very intentional about the way that they are handling their supervisors, that they're handling their customers, and most of all, how they're handling their citizens. Everyone who does this job is doing it because they want to see their city better. OMAG has been very strategic and very intentional in putting the right places and the right tools in to make sure that we are armed with the knowledge that we need to be able to better serve the people that we see every day.
One of the things I took away from the class was a better understanding of how to communicate with people, whether that be my coworkers, those that work for me, or just anyone outside of my organization. I think one of the main things we stuck home during the class was that it's not necessarily about what's best for you when communicating, but what's best to communicate with those around you, and learning how to appreciate the differences you have and how that can help communication work a lot better and can help build a team more.
When I joined the academy, I had only been in municipal government for about 8 months. I did not know what to expect. So I really wanted to meet people and learn all that I could learn. I walked in the door, and from the moment I walked in, it was a very comfortable environment. There were little treats waiting for us every day. The tables were arranged in a way that we could talk to each other. We could really get to know each other. Each month we had a different person that we sat by. So by the end of the program, we all were friends. And to this day, we still network with one another. I'm constantly reaching out and asking somebody from my class a question or advice. The Academy has given us so many great leadership qualities, things to reflect upon going forward. Even if you've experienced these, or you've heard these topics, these leadership topics in the past, things change as you get older. Your age changes you, the world changes you, your work culture, everything kind of changes as you get older. So reflecting back on some of these topics like emotional intelligence and communication style, and reflecting back on them as you change, kind of gives you a different perspective. And you also get real life experiences, and then you get to talk amongst your peers and about these real life experiences. And then you kind of have reflective learning, and then you really dive in and you figure out kind of how to handle different situations. So it's a great academy. You're going to walk away learning so much more about yourself, about municipal government, and you're going to make lifelong friends and networking relationships. I highly, highly recommend it for anybody that's thinking about it.
If you're interested in expanding your skills, I encourage you to sit down with your supervisor and discuss how this class could help you improve those skills and help your workplace become a better place to work with the teachings you'll get from this group.
So if you're interested in applying, I encourage you to do so. The deadline is December 22nd, and then we'll choose and announce the academy by January 9th. I look forward to seeing you and hope that you have a great holiday season.